Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're mixing things up just a little bit today on my channel. I'm going to share with you guys my morning routine, weekend styles. So I really honestly wake up about 6:30 on the weekends. I'm definitely early to rise, early to bed, but because it was super dark, I had to wait a little bit longer to go ahead and film this video. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take you through some of my daily tasks on the weekends. So first thing when I get up, I am blind as a bat. So I always run to my glam room and take these glasses off so I don't get those indents on the side of my nose because that's so irritating. If you know, comment down below. But yeah, I can't see without anything. So first thing's definitely to put my contacts in. Because I feel like if I just stick around in my glasses all day, I don't know, it kind of like affects my mood and I'll just kind of be groggy all day. And it's no fun doing eye makeup when you have glasses on that covers everything up. You know what I mean? And then once I get my contacts in for the day, I just always moisturize my lips. I have not yet brushed my teeth, but you know, when you wake up, I just need something on the lips, just especially this time of year. So I'll just toss a little bit of that on, and then we're gonna go ahead and head back to the bedroom. First thing, besides putting on my contacts, I have to make my bed. Is anybody else like this? If I don't make the bed, it just sets the tone for the day. I just feel like a neat bed walking into the bedroom. It just gives me like a calm type of feeling. You know what I mean? Something else too that you'll see here, and I actually like edited out most of the footage when I was doing this. I literally, and I no joke when I say I have OCD. I definitely feel like I have OCD tendencies, and for example, this damn blanket, I can't tell you how many times I did this, like this motion. I hate when it's not even on both sides of the bed and like on the front part right there. I cannot stand right here. See, it's so irritating to me. I just have to have it super, super neat. I'm not like this with everything, but there are certain things that I feel like I may need medicated, honestly, at this point. But I'll just go ahead, finish up making the bed. I always have a ton of pillows. I just feel like, especially with me, I don't have a headboard yet on this bed, and I just feel like it kind of replaces a headboard if I just put like my pillows nice and neat on the bed. And you can see my bedroom, I wanted to keep it very neutral tone, so it's pretty true to color. I think I got the lighting pretty good in here, but I wanted all neutral colors just like I did in the living room. Eventually, I'm gonna bring some spring, maybe I think like yellow into the room. I really feel that'll brighten it up, or like a lilac color. So more to come on that, but right now I love just the neutral look for a bedroom. And there's nothing in this basket yet. This house is not yet like 100% complete, but I felt like it was complete enough for me to go ahead and film this video because I've been waiting to do this type of video for you guys. Once I'm done making the bed, I'm gonna go ahead, head downstairs, and one thing that I always do when I head downstairs, I always open up my curtains right here. I have this huge window, and this is probably like my favorite part of the house. I love natural lighting, and when you open this, I literally like don't have to use lights throughout the day, which I really love. So yeah, first thing, I'll open up the curtains, see what the weather's doing. Typically, it's super dark when I wake up on weekends, but again, it was just so dark to film, so I had to wait until like 7 o'clock. And then those plants down there, those were gifted to me, and I don't have a green thumb, so they're still alive, even when I'm filming or editing this video, so they're doing good. And then just because it's super quiet, in the house, if I don't have company or whatnot, I'll go ahead. I like to put on my fireplace, and it looks so much better when it's all dark outside. And then I'll always put Pandora on, or like a YouTube playlist. I hate the quiet, and I'm not really a TV watcher, so I'll put on some good tunes, and just so there's like some noise in the house. And who doesn't love a good smelling house? So I'll leave the fragrance down below. I think it's like vanilla coconut or something with the words vanilla and coconut, I think. So I'll link it down below. But I always light a candle, and I have a wax warmer. I am obsessed with the scent lavender. Anything with lavender I love, and I always just pop one of these in, and I switch it out like every third or fourth day. And like, does anybody else use this? And it's like a pain in the behind to like get the wax out. I struggle so much, and I finally figured out you need to like push on the bottom of that to like pop them out. Yeah, it took me a while to figure that out. But I love a good smelling house, and within an hour, like the house just smells so amazing. Now I'm ready to make some tea. Oh, and side note, my niece and like my nephew love SpongeBob. Well, more my nephew, so I keep those in. Something fun for the kids. But first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get my first beverage of the day. I know I call this a coffee bar, like a coffee cart, but I honestly drink more tea than coffee. I just have the coffee for company, and maybe like once a week I may have a cup of coffee. But I've really been into green tea lately, and I just use an actual like tea bag. This is the purple acai, I can't say it, blueberry flavor. I love these. They have a bunch of different flavors, this Lipton brand. So I do that. I always use 2 packs of sugar and just use my Keurig. Honestly, I bought the Keurig just for hot water. But, you know, for company, it's there if anybody wants it. So, yeah. So I'm just going to let that brew and, yeah, let that brew. Anybody else feel like the sound of a Keurig is like so satisfying? It's like I love waking up and like doing like this within the first like 10 minutes of being up. It's just so satisfying. But yeah, so I just stir that up and then just kind of prepare for the rest of my day. So I'm going to take my tea, and I'm now going to work on breakfast. So right now I'm on what they call it like a bikini challenge, and I'll link the information down below. It's Bodies by Rachel, which is usually called BBR. So I'm on like a very strict meal plan, and I actually really like this breakfast. I have never done this until I've been on this meal plan, but it's just egg whites, rice cakes, and avocado, and I put a little bit of barbecue seasoning on there. I eat this every morning, and honestly, when I wake up my normal time, like 6:30, I usually can't eat breakfast that early, so I'll usually eat breakfast more so around like 7:30, 8. But at this point when I was filming this, I was already up for like an hour and a half, so I was a little bit hungry, and I wanted to show you guys how I make my breakfast. So I do measure everything out. Right now it's 170 grams of egg whites, and like I said, I'll leave her Instagram down below. And you guys, if you're looking to, you know, do any type of fitness challenge, she has like Team Bikini, Team Booty, Team Shred, depending on what you're looking to achieve. And it's really good. It's my 4th challenge that I've done, and I'm super happy with. It's like the only thing that's ever worked for me. And the meals are good, you know, like it's no crazy ingredients. It's pretty standard ingredients. It's just a matter of sticking with your macros and getting those workouts in. So right here, I'm just mixing up my egg whites, and then I'm going to spread the avocado onto the rice cakes. You can also use, like, you know, if you want croissants or an English McMuffin, an English muffin, you can do that too. But just because, you know, the purposes of this challenge, I have to stick to a pretty strict meal plan. And a lifesaver for me, I put barbecue seasoning on everything. I know it's early in the morning, but like it just gives it a nice little kick. I can't do anything spicy. It just gives it like a nice flavor, and I just use a very minimal amount of that. So I'll take that over, sit at my table because I love this window and it's all woods behind me. So I will literally just stare out this window for like hours at a time. And I actually have binoculars, don't laugh, because I love looking at like birds and squirrels. I don't know, I've always been fascinated even when I was like younger. But yeah, I'll just kind of hang out, play on my phone a little bit, kind of see what the animals are doing. I get a lot of deer back there too, and usually they're there in the mornings and in the evenings. So yeah, I just kind of see what's going on out in you know, the world. But once I'm done, I'll go ahead, just clean everything up. I hate leaving things around. Like I said, I think it's that OCD kicking in. And then I'll head back upstairs, and from here I'm going to go ahead, brush my teeth, wash my face, just kind of prepare to put makeup on. And like, a funny thing, does anybody see like beauty gurus or influencers or, you know, any type of YouTuber? Nobody shows themselves flossing their teeth. Like, do people not floss their teeth these days? I floss my teeth faithfully every day since I can remember. So comment down below, like, is that a thing? Do people still floss their teeth? But yeah, once I floss, I just brush, and then for skincare, it's pretty simple in the morning. I just like to do a light cleanser. I just go with my hands because I don't have any makeup on, because I have a pretty more intense skincare routine at nighttime, especially with my dry skin. So I just do a light wash, and I always use paper towels because I feel like I break out less. When I used to use towels, I think the lint, I don't know if this is true or not, like clogged my pores, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that's just a thing, if it's all in my head, but I've been using paper towels for like years now. And then here I'm just going to fast forward and just put some makeup on. I keep it pretty light, you know, on the weekends unless I'm filming, but if I'm just running errands throughout the day or, you know, just hanging out, I'll just keep it pretty light, just foundation and no falsies. I'll just put mascara on and just like a lip gloss. And then for hair, this is like 3rd day old hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and curl it, just big loose curls. This is like my go-to when I don't know what to do with it, or I just put it up in like a messy bun. But today I wanted to look like a little bit put together, you know? Especially for the sake of this video. I don't want to look like a troll the whole time. So hair and makeup are done. So now we are ready to go ahead and pick what I'm going to wear for the weekend. I keep it pretty chill. I hate jeans, but I do put them on in this video. But look at this shirt. It says Weekend Vibes. I thought it would be like how appropriate for this video. So I usually just do that, and today it was a little bit warmer. I think it was like in the 50s, which was pretty warm for this time of year. And I always like to use a backpack on the weekends with errands. I just hate having like a strap, you know, with a purse. It's just easier just using a little backpack, but I keep it pretty chill on the weekends, like I said, unless I'm going somewhere, but today was a pretty laid back day. Yes, I have lots of shoes, and I probably wear like 4 pair. Does anybody else just have like an obsession with shoes and not wear any of them? I just like to look at them, I guess. So I got my outfits, and I right now want to pick out any accessories, pick out the bottoms. I'll usually put leggings on, but I had some things to run, so I wanted to look a little bit more put together than usually. I just feel like jeans spice things up a little bit. So I will put jeans on. They're actually from Fashion Nova. I'll link them down below. I think they're the Beach Bum jeans, very distressed, that you'll see in a minute. For jewelry, I just use very simple, smaller type hoops, and I keep it pretty minimal with jewelry on the weekend. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys, you know, we all know how to put shoes on, but just inserted this clip so you guys can get an idea of the outfit and the distressed jeans. I've been waiting. I love these jeans, but it's been so cold. So today being a little bit warmer, I definitely had to break these out. And I love Fashion Nova jeans. I actually need to order some more because they just fit so well, and they're very high-waisted, which I like. So like I mentioned earlier, I do like to use more of like a backpack style handbag. So I just, from the week going to work, I just have my regular handbag. So I just kind of transition everything into the handbag or to the backpack. Just grab my wallet, my phone, any lip glosses, anything that I'll need for the weekend. And I love that little like fuzzy ball on it. I don't know if people still use them, but I think it's like so cute. So I keep it on there. So now that we are pretty much all put together, I'm gonna head downstairs, and I always, from right at the point where I wake up, it's probably been about 2 hours. So I'll just shut that off and go on throughout my day. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more routine type videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.